biggest shift is gone from being a local game to a global price check, and it creates what I call pricing whipple splash. The biggest misconception is that China is a single, uniform source of quality. It's not. A developer client had 36 townhouses locked in. We rescued the project from insolvency.
When you think about the future of Australia-China trade in construction materials, what scenarios do you personally plan for? Best case, worst case, and most realistic?
This isn't speculation for us. It's a strategic planning. Our client's project depends on us getting this right. So we are always gaming out 3 lanes. The best case, the era of integrated partnership, tariff ease, and the logistics become as fluid as pre-pandemic. But the real shift is collaboration. The best Chinese manufacturers don't just supply, they co-design with Australian engineers, creating material tailored for our climate and codes from the outside. It's not just cost saving, it's innovation at source. We are already building these bridges with factory investing Australian standard testing labs. So the worst case, the fragmentation scenario, geopolitical tension escalated into broad trade barriers. Suddenly, entire categories of material face prohibitive tariffs or outright bans. Supply chain balkanized, and everyone scrambles for inferior, more expensive alternatives. Costs skyrocket, and project feasibility evaporates. Our mitigation: deep, not wide relationships. We don't have 500 suppliers. We have like 100 strategic tier 1 partners. These are relationships built on years of mutual success, with joint investment in compliance and stock, prices, loyalty, and the integrated system beats a database of emails. The most realistic, the resilient dual-channel future. This is what we're building for now. A future where smart Australian builders run a dual-channel supply chain. You have your efficient, local, just-in-time partner for small, urgent items. And you have your strategic, China-based pipeline for high-value planned components, protected by deep partnership, secured inventory buffers, and flawless documentation. So, in this reality, importing isn't a gamble, it's a core competency. The builder who masters it doesn't just have a cost advantage, they have a supply chain sovereignty. They are not at the mercy of any single market shocks. That's the future we are helping our clients build. One where their margin is protected by strategic diversity, not luck.